The sewer under Beaver Street clogged. The resulting backup flooded Theatrikos' basement with sewage. In addition to being disgusting, destroyed large parts of our basement. Many of our costumes, almost all of our set pieces, a lot of our props, our scene shop, our green room, destroyed. Some of it salvageable, but large parts of it are destroyed. We like to view this as an opportunity to come out of this better than we were, to turn lemons into lemonade, and to reorganize and multi-purpose what we have in the basement of the theater. This is where you come in. Your donation will help make that possible. Whether you donate $1,000 or $100 or Theatrikos' basic membership of $50, whatever is right for you, more or less than any of those amounts is great. You can do it through Facebook, GoFundMe, send us a check, drop off a jar of nickels, or go to theatrikos.com/donate. theatrikos.com/donate. And thank you very much for your contribution.